Okay, so basically from beginning of the CoolWater, we made three. You can make, following this formula, just few amendments to it, you can make 3 kinds of different perfume types, but just slight modification of it. So you've seen in the previous video, in the previous part, you know, that I've used and I've put a full stop. That's there is the CoolWater, and beyond that CoolWater we have another perfume that is also very similar to CoolWater, but very background noise, and then you have a lot of oud in it and woody effect to it and a bit of more metallic. So it's one kind of. So the last and the final perfume you can bring out from the same composition is this one, by adding 2 more things. So you need to add 50 grams, not milliliter, grams of ethyl vanillin to make it spicy. Now we're going towards feminine side of it, and then you add roughly 20 gram of ethyl maltol. 20 gram of it is powder again. Ethyl vanillin and maltol, ethyl maltol, they both are in crystal form. Okay, last thing you need to do to make it more feminine for females. So what you need to add is patchouli. I use about 50 milliliter of patchouli oil on top of this, so you can see the quantity has gone up. So that's it, guys. You can come up with 3 perfumes from one basic formula of CoolWater. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like this button and share. We need more community growth, and I wish that you can learn, or I'm still learning. Obviously, if you have any recommendation, there's so many perfumers out there, but this video is not for the perfumers. This is for people like me who want to learn and they are in beginning stages. So never give up. See how it's done. Try it if you like it, and it gives you some kind of a hobby, and then you learn every day. So thank you very much again. Bye.